Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left faces while I was sleeping, and the visions that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light, this glitter night, and touch the sounds of silence, and in the naked light of soul, 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there disturb the sounds of silence. Who'd say I do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silence, raindrops fell, echo the wells of silence. And the people bow to pray to the neon god they made, and the sign flash out each morning, and the words that it was for me, and the signs of the words of the prophets.